Are you noticing that the cellular option or mobile service is missing in your iPhone settings? This issue can be quite inconvenient. It may arise due to software glitches, network settings, or even issues with your SIM card. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you restore the missing cellular option on your iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. Open Settings on your iPhone, toggle Airplane Mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Reinsert SIM card. Reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. Power off your iPhone, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it. Power your iPhone back on and check for 5G connectivity. Solution 3. Check your carrier settings. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, tap on About. If an update is available, you will see a prompt to update your carrier settings. If there is nothing, then go back, tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then update it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting your network setting can fix connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the missing cellular option or mobile service on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.